Fractions on the number line. This number line has the first four whole numbers and 0 marked. You can see it at the top. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how all the markers are evenly spaced. Fractions can be marked on the number line too. We're going to mark halves. So I've drawn my number line. I've got my even markers and I've got 0, 1. Now I'll put in number 2, number 3, and we need now to put in the half markers. They should be exactly halfway between each number. So if I had a ruler, I'd measure it and it would be exact. Okay, so there's my markers. Now I can mark in each of the fractions. 1 half, that would be 2 halves. Notice 2 halves is the same as 1 whole. 3 halves. 4 halves, which is the same as 2 wholes. 5 halves and 6 halves, which is the same as 3 wholes. Okay, if you have a look at the second line, what we've done this time is we've drawn a number line to show quarters. We started at 0 and we go all the way up to 3 wholes. Notice between 0 and 1, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 markers. So there are 4 even markers between 0 and 1, which shows our quarters. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, the same as a whole. Then there's another 4 markers till we get to 2 wholes, and another 4 markers to get to 3 wholes, because we're showing quarters. Also notice that 2 quarters is the same as 1 half. 6 quarters is the same as 3 halves. 10 quarters is the same as 5 halves. We call these equivalent fractions. So this number line is different to the one before because we need 4 spaces between each whole number to show quarters. The first number line we only needed 2 spaces between wholes because we were only showing halves.